people. Who's here? Who wants to join? Hello.
Hello. Is it still blurry?
No, it's okay. Actually, it wasn't blurry the last time. What happened was, like your video
The
gets
the
stuck,
speed problem.
and then it speeds up like anything, and then it catches up, and then like yeah. So I thought like if someone would be watching it later, it would be very jumbled, like whatever you're
Okay.
saying. So, Kiki, I saw in the last one, like it wasn't much there, but there were points where your video was like your face was like distorting. I was like, okay, that's a little creepy, but yeah.
Mm-hmm. Right.
So, okay, someone has said something.
Try Sita Sister by Kavita Kane, a different viewpoint of Ramayana, where the hero of the book is this Sita's sister and Lakshmana's wife Urmila. Yeah, I've heard
Hmm.
about this book. I have actually two, three books waiting. I will definitely read this one as well. I've heard about the book.
Her journey as a daughter, a sister, a lover, a wife.
Yeah. She had to stay all alone, na? Lakshmana also left with Rama to exile.
Hmm. That's an interesting. Yeah, that's the good stuff about writers. Like people are coming up with so much, different nuanced stories and different perspectives of different peoples. Like who? What about Jatayu? Like I like that guy. Someone should write a story about him, his
I'm
perspective.
sure there would be. In fact, जब आपकी कोई friend ने ये भी लिखा था कि जो God है, is it just an illustration? No,
It's
illustration
an,
नहीं है. But this is just
I think he wanted to say, is God just an illusion?
अली मिश ने कहा था, if I'm not
हाँ,
wrong.
उसने उसने वो ऑटो करेक्ट कर रही थी बाद में मैंने पूछा था उससे
इल्यूजन नहीं बोल सकते. इट्स जस्ट कि आपने कोई एक इंसान है जिसको आपने फ्लॉलेस ढूंढ लिया है और उसके इतने फॉलोअर्स बन गए हैं कि विथ
हम्म,
टाइम उसको
हम्म,
भगवान की पदवी दे दी गई है
हम्म,
क्योंकि उसने इतना लोगों के लिए किया है.
okay,
अगर नहीं किया होता तो ऑब्वियसली कोई फॉलोअर फॉलो भी नहीं करेगा.
हम्म.
तो या
See,
आई मीन दैट्स
with
द
that,
वे यू कैन पुट इट.
my take on that is, we as human beings, we need to look at something which is greater than ourselves. Like it could be anything, and
Right.
that's one of the reasons that movies like the old school movies, that Yash Raj movies, the Karan Johar movies, they were larger than life. That's why we used to watch them. And just like that, that's a very simplified answer. But just like that, we need something bigger to look at, because it's either gods or what is it? Is it aliens or is it something else? There is something bigger than ourselves that should be out there, because then, like, the man has to ask themselves that what is the meaning of life, and that is a big
See,
question
that's
that a
like
lot of people do not want to ask.
you get deeply into it, then it's a different thing altogether. अब आप
Hmm.
मुझसे अगर पूछोगे तो मेरे हिसाब से पेगन गॉड्स टोटली डिफरेंट होते हैं. जो हम लोगों के जो हिंदी में बोले जाते हैं, होते हैं ना, सबके अपने अपने कुल देवी एंड कुल देवता.
Ishtadev,
सॉरी.
Ishtadeव also.
हाँ. हाँ जी, मतलब जो अपने अपने, आई थिंक सबके कास्ट में ये होता ही है. सबके कास्ट
I
में भी
mean,
छोटे छोटे
I'm not
ग्रुप्स में होता है.
इनके मैं ज्यादा जानता नहीं इन चीजों के बारे में, like, so I would refrain from commenting, but you said pagan gods.
Yes, pagan gods. So there are
Pagan
like two
gods,
types.
I thought pagan gods were the gods before Christ.
No, so pagan gods are the gods like, uh, as much as my knowledge goes, I got it from watching Supernatural. It can be wrong, it can be right, right?
Supernatural, like the Dean
Yeah,
and Sam Winchester one.
yes, I used to
Yeah,
watch it
okay.
a lot.
Yeah,
And that's how I
same,
got this
same.
thing about this pagan gods are those
Hmm.
कि ये आपके जो कुल के देवी देवता होते हैं, ये आपको पनिश भी करते हैं और आपको फल भी देते हैं अगर आप इन्हें पूछते हो और आप इन्हें नहीं पूछते तो.
Hmm.
whereas जो गॉड्स है, द अल्टीमेट गॉड्स है, दे अटेन मोक्षा. सो
Hmm.
दे आर नॉट,
See, that's.
मतलब that's what my point of view
Hmm.
is, and
हाँ, I
that's
get
what
it.
I've, after reading all the stuff that I've
Hmm.
read,
Hmm.
उसके बाद जो मेरा पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू निकलता है वो यही निकलता है कि पेगन गॉड्स आर स्टिल देयर, वो आपकी बात सुन रहे हैं, वो आपको पनिश भी करेंगे अगर आप उन्हें पूजेंगे नहीं तो। एंड एंड भगवान के साथ कुछ ऐसा नहीं है। एंड भगवान
What my understanding is about the pagan gods, and this is based on what I have read and seen in other like things as well, not just supernatural. There are other shows like there is a show called Vikings. There is a very deeper like this thing said about them, because any god that was before like Christ or Christianity, they were considered as pagan gods, and a lot of people thought of them as false gods as well, because they thought Christ is the only God, and whoever doesn't believe in Christianity is false. So
right,
they used to say this in a derogatory way,
right,
like the N word. So they used to call like you're following a pagan, you're a pagan man. They used to say
right.
some things like that. So with pagan gods, that's and what you said with respect to your pagan gods, or like your Ishta Devta or your Kul Devta or your these things. You're mixing a few things there, but the point, the baser point of that is yes, like there are. You can call it gods, you can call it demigods, you can call it our little angels who are watching over us, who are seeing each and everything. And if you want to go into Navajo myths, you know, those Red Indians, they used to call themselves like there is a wolf inside every man and a woman, and there are two wolves or two bears who are fighting each other. One is
Right.
evil, one is good. And so, you know, like I read this story where this little girl asks her father, he, what is a good man or what is a bad man? And
Right.
he says there's no good or bad. It's just whichever wolf or bear wins the fight, that is the
Right.
person in that moment.
Right.
So that's one way of looking at things. And जहाँ पे आप कह रहे थे ना कि pagan gods are the ones who are watching over us, and then there are the ultimate gods who are like who are above
Who've
this.
attained moksha.
Yeah,
Who've attained moksha, they're
yeah,
not listening to you. They are not going to answer your prayers or something.
yeah.
It's going to be like
Their concerns
whatever you
are
do,
on a
your
universal level, and
yes, your karmas are going to your karmas are going to decide your destiny. That
mm,
is what is going to happen. So
mm,
yeah, I mean, like for that matter, I think Sai Baba is one of the best examples that you can give. I
mm,
feel because he was a living man. I think सबसे recent living man and who's become a god is
mm.
I think Sai Baba, and he has a lot of followers. I'm sure. I'm like लोग कहते हैं उन लोगों के उन्होंने उनका जादू देखा है या whatever miracles देखे हैं.
Miracles, yeah. Jadoo
Yeah,
is
but
not the best
yes,
word that you could go for, but yeah.
देखे हैं.
So
And
with that, obviously, जैसे अभी Mish was asking, so she was referring to a show called Spartacus, and उस
okay.
show में भी ऐसे होता है like so those people are like gladiators
Yes, I know.
in that show. So have you seen it?
I've not seen it. I've seen a documentary on History Channel about Spartacus.
अच्छा, तो उसमें
And
basically
I
the
was,
gladiators, and
yeah,
what the crowd used to do and what the promoters of those gladiator fights used to do was inflate them to next level. They used to call them
right.
gods, they used to call them titans, they used to call them
Yes,
heroes and whatnot. So
yeah,
that's what like you know, people in the old times, they did not have social media, they did not have Google, they did not have YouTube, they did not have
right,
books, a lot of books. I mean, there were books, but only a certain people were allowed to read them or knew how to read them. So, you know,
right,
the simpler people, what they used to think was, okay, if this guy is knowledgeable, if this guy knows about life, if this guy knows about things, they start following him. They start being like, okay, let's be like him or let's learn from him. So that's where these guys are coming from. So when that happens, they're like, okay, like, you know, this guy is this. And then they start inflating them. Oh, this happened. Oh, that happened. And then वो ना उनका एक कल्चर, एक छोटा सा ग्रुप बन जाता है. एंड देन उसकी ग्रुप के अंदर एक कंपटीशन शुरू हो जाता है कि मैंने, जैसे अगर हम साई बाबा का एग्जांपल ले रहे हैं, ठीक है, लाइक आई वुड नॉट वांट टू टेक हिज एग्जांपल. अ बेटर एग्जांपल वुड बी एक एक गुरुजी है, गुरुजी का आश्रम है, आपने सुना होगा शायद, यही है लाइक okay, just let's just call it any god man, like say for example Ramdev or like something like,
whatsoever, XYZ.
yeah, let's call it X god man, ठीक है, इनका नाम है एक्स, मिस्टर एक्स, ठीक है। अब मैं मिस्टर एक्स के एक उसमें जाता हूँ कि मेरे को इनका सत्संग में जाना है, इनके किसी चीज में जाना है। आई गो देयर, आई सी हिम, आई सी अदर पीपल, एंड दीज अदर पीपल दे स्टार्ट फॉर्मिंग दीज ग्रुप्स, एंड दे लाइक मैंने मिस्टर एक्स को ये करते हुए देखा, मैंने मिस्टर एक्स को ये मिरेकल करते हुए देखा। तो जब उनके जो आर्डेंट फॉलोअर्स होंगे ना, वो इस बंदे को भी सुनने लग जाएंगे, अच्छा इसने देखा, ओ ही स्पेशल इन दिस लिटिल सर्कल बिकॉज ही सॉ समथिंग। जैसे होता है ना कि आज स्कूल में लड़ाई हुई मैंने देखी, तो लोग सब मुझसे जानने आ जाएंगे कि भाई क्या हुआ क्या हुआ क्या हुआ क्या हुआ। तो अगर मैं क्लेम करने लग जाऊं कि मैंने मिस्टर एक्स को ये वाला मिरेकल करते हुए देखा है, तो लोग मेरे से पूछने आएंगे, आई विल गेट दैट अटेंशन, and to get more of that attention, now I'll start lying, I'll making my own tales, oh I saw him do this, oh I saw him do that, just to get that attention, because we love attention, we just want attention,
Right.
and फिर ना ऐसे ऐसे, अब अगर मैं attention के लिए ऐसे झूठ बोल रहा हूँ, कल को आप कहोगे कि यार आपको भी चाहिए वाली attention, तो आप कोई और miracle बता दोगे, मैंने उनको ये करते हुए देखा, and so on and so forth, it just becomes a circle, it keeps going, it's going, बढ़ता रहता है
तो मैं वही तो
लोग
बता
कहते हैं
रही
कि
हूँ,
बाबा
अगर
ने,
किसी का सर्कल रह गया, जैसे ठीक है, कुछ लोग, कुछ गॉडमैन मतलब उनका उनको उनको दिखा देते कि दे आर नॉट गॉडमैन या व्हाटसोएवर, मतलब कोई स्कैम हो जाता है या कुछ होता है, और
Yeah.
कुछ होता है जो जनरेशन से चलते रहेंगे। तो आई एम नॉट सेइंग राइट नाउ, बट आप लगा लो जो उनके फॉलोअर्स होंगे, फॉलोअर्स की जनरेशंस भी आएंगी ऑब्वियसली, राइट? तो 1000-2000 years down the line they will be treated as gods.
Yeah, the man part of it leaves, it just,
Yes,
the god
they will
stays.
be gods. So that's my entire ideology about gods. Okay,
But then
it
again,
may be like that.
yeah, it that's what it has, it maybe if it was, it can't be like that now, because now is the age of information, and now everyone, as we were talking about earlier, everyone questions everything, and if
Right.
not everyone, a majority of people do, and
Yes.
people are out there calling bullshitters like that.
But no, I've seen my age people following, godmens or gurus or whatsoever you want to say, like blind. I mean, for them, it's like whatever they say is the right thing. You
नहीं,
can't
that,
question it.
see blind following, अब देखो, like I know people who follow these god men, if you will, but the thing is, जैसे अब god men की जगह बाबा बोलते हैं, the बाबा और the gurus, ठीक है। तो ऐसे काफी लोग हैं जो gurus को follow करते हैं, but the thing is, see if it is doing some, if it is giving you guys peace, कि चलो ठीक है यार, हम इनमें विश्वास कर रहे हैं, फेथ कर रहे हैं, अब हमें ना, क्योंकि लोगों को अपने लिए सोचना नहीं होता, लोग चाहते हैं कि someone else think for them. तो
Right.
अगर वो अपने प्रवचन दे रहे हैं which is like resonating with them, they are like okay, this guy is the deal, and जो भी ये कह रहे हैं वो सच है, क्योंकि हमें नहीं सोचना पड़ेगा, ठीक है। तो प्रॉब्लम यही आ जाती है जहां if you're resonating with one or two things of that man, the third thing can be not right ना, क्या पता वो तीसरी चीज एकदम ही ऑपोजिट है तुम्हारी थिंकिंग और तुम्हारे मॉरलिस्टिक बिलीव्स के बारे में, बट जस्ट बिकॉज उसकी पहली दो ठीक चीजें ठीक है, यू जस्ट ब्लाइंडली फॉलो इट, दैट्स वेयर यू फक योरसेल्फ अप, that's where you
But
call
there are
upon
people,
troubles.
I have seen such people, and it's not just about age कि हमारे बड़े करते हैं या ऐसा नहीं है। मैंने अपने जितने लोग देखे हैं, अपने से छोटे लोग देखे हैं
नहीं,
जो
but
blind और
see,
follow करते हैं।
exactly, it's as you said, it's not about age, it's about maturity, it's about mental, like your IQ and your EQ, like जैसे आपकी इंटेलिजेंस क्वेश्चंस आती है, उसके साथ आपका इमोशनल इंटेलिजेंस और इमोशनल क्वेश्चन भी आता है, कि आप इमोशनली इफ यू स्टार्ट बिलीविंग इन दीज थिंग्स, then mentally you start rationalizing your emotional beliefs.
Right.
That's something really deep. शायद मैं इस बात को दोबारा देख के रिपीट करूंगा, and I'll pat myself on back what I just said, but yeah, because कभी कभी वो होता है ना, इमोशंस में हम लोग बह जाते हैं, and we are like, यार ये जो बंदा कह रहा है ना, सही कह रहा है, like सही कह रहा है, जो भी कह रहा है, ठीक है, और फिर हम
One of the
इंटेलिजेंटली
things that
उसको
people
rationalize करने
blindly
लगते हैं.
follow, for that example, I can give you this example of periods, menstruation cycle. It's still such a big taboo right here in India amongst educated people. It's not that कि हमारे बड़े हमें फोर्स कर रहे होते हैं and हम कर रहे होते हैं, नहीं ऐसा नहीं है. मैंने अपने फ्रेंड्स को देखा, मैंने अपने आसपास के लोगों को देखा है जो मेरी एज के हैं एंड जो ब्लाइंडली उस चीज को
क्या
फॉलो कर रहे
क्या
हैं. दे डोंट वांट टू क्वेश्चन इट.
क्या करते हुए देखा है?
पीरियड्स में अनटचेबिलिटी प्रैक्टिस करते हुए देखा है. दे आर नॉट अलाउड टू सिट ऑन नॉर्मल बेड. दे आर नॉट अलाउड टू स्लीप ऑन दैट बेड. देयर इज सेपरेट बेड for the girls who are chumming, and I'm telling you, people follow it literally. I mean, it's not that I'm not joking. I've seen that. I mean, like, there are girls are not allowed to go to office because they are chumming. To work, they cannot enter kitchen. If they touch anything, they have to wash it off because it's got impure. You cannot touch
What?
cotton. I'm like, these things I'm talking for real. This exists.
You've seen it like first hand,
I've
not like
seen
किसी ने
it.
बोला हो.
Yes, no, I've seen it firsthand.
Wow. So
And
like,
trust me, it's not possible to change I have had a conversation with a group of girls my age, or probably, 2-3 years elder to me. And when I hear them out, I'm like, okay. I'm like, this is what they're going to pass to their own to their children as well. It's not going to change for anyone.
no, but
Like,
don't they like okay, what have you talked about these people? Like, जो तुम कह रहे हो, आपने कुछ लोगों से बात कर रखी
they
है,
would
but
not, they would say that this is the right thing because we are impure. I'm like, dude,
why?
really, you
How?
think that?
How?
I'm like, I think I'm the cleanest during that period.
Yeah, because you're extra careful of taking
You are
your like
extra, and you know
exactly.
what, everything has a logic, okay? जब ये बना था रूल, तब इतना हाइजीन नहीं था. इंसान 4-4 दिन नहाता नहीं
हाँ,
था.
हाँ,
And obviously आपके अंदर से ब्लीडिंग हो रही है. So it is like, obviously यार, आप कोई भी चीज को छुओगे, पापड़ या पिकल, it's going to get ruined. आप 4 दिन मत नहाओ, normally मत नहाओ, तब also this will happen with you. तो
See,
आप
that makes sense. That makes sense because when the time that this used to happen back in the day, तब
yes,
शायद हाइजीनिक चीजें नहीं होती होंगी या फिर ये
हाइजीनिक नहीं होती थी. एंड देयर वाज वन मोर रीजन. उस टाइम गर्ल्स को बहुत हार्ड लेबर करना पड़ता था. हर चीज हाथ से करती थी औरतें, घर का
तो
सारा
फिर उस
काम.
टाइम पे दे थॉट कि चलो
कि
वो
उनको
नहीं
वो
एंटर
4
करेगी
दिन
या चिल
आराम दो,
करेगी अपना. हाँ, एग्जैक्टली,
4
आराम से
दिन
रहेगी.
आराम दो, इसलिए उनको अलग कर देते थे कि आप आराम करो, ठीक है.
हाँ, okay,
बट
that
इस
that
चीज को तो
makes sense.
पूरा
But yeah,
निचोड़ के,
in
घुमा फिरा के, यू
in
इम्पोज्ड इट
today's
ऑन अ
world,
गर्ल.
yeah, that's fucked up. That is messed up
It's
to the
all
core.
messed up. I mean, and at times, I'm like, man, I should, do this is something that I should not even be telling, but मेरे को नहीं पता कितना डिबेटेबल हो जाएगा बाद में, किसी ने मेरी ये वीडियो देख ली. और
इसमें क्या डिबेटेबल होगा? डूड, मैं
no,
साथ में खड़ा
no,
हूँ तुम्हारे, इसमें क्या डिबेट है?
it's Aman, it's highly debatable. I have been taken to priests wherein they told me to debate with them on this particular topic, and they were not ready to lose it. They were like, no, this is
What?
wrong.
Why?
No, they don't have whys. They are like, you're
What?
impure during that period.
That's where you lose me. If you're going to a debate and you're not asking why, then that is not a debate to
I
start.
am asking why. I'm like, dude, okay, tell me. I understand everything. Okay, you're telling me, okay, organic. But the point is, आज की डेट में कौन बिना नहाए बैठा रहता है? Obviously, they are, they are maintaining the highest of the hygiene. मतलब मैं तो अपनी बात नहीं कर रही. आई थिंक जो हमारे मेन जो सर्वेंट्स होते हैं वो भी बहुत अच्छे हाइजीन मेंटेन करते हैं ड्यूरिंग this period. So
Everyone.
why? And without this, there is no creation. This is an important aspect of life.
Yeah.
तो आप इसको कैसे बोल सकते हो और आप कैसे दिखा सकते हो कि विमेन, मैं आपको बताती हूँ. इनफैक्ट मैं हम लोगों में ना एक चीज होती है जिसको
हम
बोलते
लोगों में
हैं
मतलब
जैनों में, हम लोगों में
अच्छा.
होता है कि ड्यूरिंग आवर पर्यूषण फेस्टिवल सभा होती है, गुरु महाराज सब बोल रहे होते हैं. ही इज रिसाइटिंग डिफरेंट थिंग्स, डिफरेंट चैप्टर्स ऑफ आवर गॉड एंड ऑल. एंड उसमें एक बार हुआ था, आई हैड, मतलब नॉर्मली तो मैं नहीं जाती बिकॉज मेरे को बहुत सारी चीजों पे विश्वास नहीं होता है. एंड डिबेट करके कोई मतलब नहीं है. ये सारी चीजें बहुत डिबेटेबल हैं. इट कैन एंगर एनीवन, एनी मॉब. रिलीजन एस्पेक्ट, रिलीजियस एस्पेक्ट पे आप
किसी से ना अभी जब कभी नेक्स्ट टाइम लाइव करेंगे तब ना आई विल बिकम दिस डिक हेड मैं एक कैरेक्टर प्ले करूंगा एंड आई डिबेट यू ऑन दीज थिंग्स एंड मैं ऐसी वो रिजिड जो चीजें होती है ना कि नहीं गलत है ये है वो है I'll be like that and you give all the good points which are supposed to be given ठीक है और उसके बाद we'll just put it out like that.
Right, you can. I mean, like the one thing that actually refrained me from going again was कि मैंने I was very small और मैंने ये सुना था कि अगर आप आदमी पैदा हुए हो तो आपने कम
कम
अच्छे
से
कर्म ज्यादा करे हैं देन बैड
अच्छा
कर्मास एंड अगर आप औरत पैदा हुए हो तो आपने बैड कर्मा ज्यादा करे हैं from a man. मैंने बोला dude no this is not equality. That's not how you can say. मैंने बोला तब I was like okay this is not my place. I can't follow all of this. I can't digest it. I don't understand why. I mean human
I
life
think
itself
जैसे
is a precious thing.
नहीं I'll try to जैसे अभी हमने लास्ट वाले में किया था ना I'll try to find a logic behind it and I think what their logic would be like obviously I can be wrong but what their logic would be see like when you're a woman your life is a little tough
But why is it tough?
because you're going through menstruation. I'm not bleeding 5 days.
But it's
I'm
not
not
so
I'm
don't
not
you
getting like
don't you
cramps. I'm not
think
getting
it's so everybody does not get it. I'll tell you there are people who will
हाँ
get it. There
हाँ
are people
obviously
who live
obviously
it, who live the most during that period.
yeah but
They,
those are the exceptions.
no, those are not the exceptions. So I know a lot of people. I think I mean like I'm not saying I know 100 women, but the people in my group I know there are not a lot of women who actually go through a lot of pain. Plus
Yeah.
the amount of luxuries you've got right now it
Hmm.
is not it was not available then जब शायद ये rules
So
बने होंगे right
that's what I'm just trying to think what their logic would be behind it. ठीक है मैं support नहीं कर रहा मैं कुछ वो नहीं कर रहा I'm just thinking out loud. ठीक है I think what their logic would be कि because आपने कुछ अच्छा ही किया होगा that you are not bleeding 5 days a week. आपने शायद कुछ अपने पिछले जन्म में अच्छा ही किया होगा that you don't have to go through labor. आपने शायद अच्छा कुछ किया होगा दैट यू आर लाइक जो भी मतलब मैस्कुलिन ट्रेट्स होते हैं विच आर थॉट ऑफ एज सुपीरियर कि यू नो यू आर मे
मैं
बी
आपको
फिजिकली
एक
स्ट्रॉन्गर
फैक्ट बताती हूँ बायोलॉजी का
जी
इनहेरेंटली एक वुमेन में ज्यादा टॉलरेंस पावर होता है no matter what even if that baby is a baby like it's just inside infant in the sense जब आप देखना कभी भी ये एक फैक्ट है okay you can search
या
online प्रीमेच्योर बेबीज होते हैं जिसमें अगर दो बेबीज हैं ट्विंस हैं एक लड़का एक लड़की है the surviving chance of the girl is way higher than that of the boy because of the tolerance power of the girl
बट दे गेट द टॉलरेंस इवन व्हेन दे आर अ fetus.
yes
How is that?
that's the main thing the main characteristic of a woman tolerance level is way more
अच्छा
in fact
so
biologically also if you take
okay
it why I'll tell you why there
okay
is a
I'm not
difference of 3 years between the marriage age
आवाज आवाज कट गई आपकी क्या बोला आपने
hello
हाँ जी
सो बेसिकली ये 3 साल का डिफरेंस है मतलब 18 साल की लड़की इज एलिजिबल टू गेट मैरिड 21 इयर्स का लड़का इज एलिजिबल टू गेट मैरिड वो 3 इयर्स का डिफरेंस इसलिए है क्योंकि बायोलॉजिकली अगर आप देखो तो गर्ल्स का मैच्योरिटी लेवल एंड बॉयज का मैच्योरिटी लेवल में अगर आप उसको एवरेज करो तो वो 3 इयर्स होता है
हाँ नो आई गेट दैट इज समथिंग आई एम 100% विद बट ये जो आपने ये वाला बोला है वो मुझे नहीं समझ आया बिकॉज when babies are forming like I'm not 100% sure but when babies are forming for the first few months like they could be anything like क्योंकि वो sexual organs haven't been like formed properly so the baby can go either ways so
I'm talking
that's
about
what I
premature
think
babies in the sense of the babies are there 7 months is premature babies
हाँ
9 months
definitely
it's full grown babies so everything is grown inside
हाँ ठीक है
it's just they're premature they're very little
अच्छा
that's the only
No,
difference that's it
that's a good thing. I got to know this. I knew it inherently. मुझे पता था. But what I thought this was more of a nurture thing that because girls go through a lot of stuff way before guys. and
Mm-hmm.
that's why I thought they had like a lot of tolerance power with respect to their capabilities. But
Right.
now I know it's a genetic thing. I'll look into it. I'll look into it,
Yes.
and if
Sure.
someone else who's watching this is interested in it, I will source it down below.
And yeah, so ठीक है, आप एक चीज ऐसे देख रहे हो कि गर्ल्स को ऐसा होता है तो इसलिए दे आर
Hmm.
वीकर या व्हाट्सोएवर, बट आप एक चीज देखो
नहीं
ना,
वीकर.
अगर आप नॉट
Hmm.
वीकर बट हाँ ठीक है, जो भी उन्होंने जिस वे
Yeah,
में उस
yeah.
चीज को डिपिक्ट किया है कि यू नो बिकॉज
Hmm.
दे आर मेंस्ट्रुएटिंग, आई नो दीज वर द रीजंस, व्हाई
Hmm.
विल आई लाई, दीज वर द रीजंस
Yeah.
दैट वर गिवन, बट द
Hmm.
पॉइंट इज बिना imagine a world without a girl. There is no evolution. There is nothing that is happening. There is no
No,
creation.
uh, if women were not there, then like see, because we as human beings have born and brought up, like not born and brought up, that's wrong. We as humans have like we have sex, we procreate, and that's how the species go on and becomes what it is today. So if
Hmm.
that wasn't the case, then we would have been an asexual organism. फिर एक ही सेक्स होता और वो खुद से ही we would have fucked ourselves and like laid eggs or something, or did something else. So now that we are here, why fight over these small petty issues? And like it's the 21st century, and अगर आज तक जैसे आप
यार
बता रहे
अमन,
हैं
I'm
कि
telling you, it's
वो
really
आजकल
fucked up
का.
for girls. It's really
Hmm?
fucked up. It's really fucked
Yeah.
up for girls. I mean, I've seen people कि उन्हें परमिशन लेनी पड़ी है, खुद के पैसे इन्वेस्ट करने के लिए परमिशन लेनी पड़ी है. I'm like, dude, really?
Wow.
क्यों? तुम खुद अपने आप को एक inferior पोजीशन पे रख रहे हो, ऐसा क्यों है? एंड मैं
Hmm.
एक आध जने की बात नहीं कर रही, मैं ग्रुप ऑफ मतलब आई कैन टॉक अबाउट अ ग्रुप ऑफ पीपल. एंड मे बी
Hmm.
बिकॉज मेरे बहुत रेवोल्यूशनरी बोलूं या रिबेलिंग आइडियाज हैं, तो अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल डोंट इवन go along well with
Hmm.
the thought process I have.
Hmm.
So, and I'm like, dude, no,
Little
this is
rebel
not
group.
going to, this is not going to change anything. I mean, like, आप वही चीज अपनी बेटी में भी पास ऑन करोगे, अपने बेटों में भी पास ऑन करोगे, and it's not going to end ever.
No, but see, that's what as a society we are moving forward, and obviously जैसे आप कह रहे हो कि वैसे cases हैं, तो मैं भी argue करूंगा कि ऐसे cases भी हैं who people who do not give a shit about these norms and who are like letting boys and girls be as equal as they can, or even making it a meritocracy where like if a girl is doing much better than a guy, she would be given this key, okay, she's given like advantages and she's given all the good things because she's doing well for herself. And a lot of parents are doing that, and like अभी मेरे भी कुछ काफी सारे ऐसे फ्रेंड्स हैं जहाँ पे लड़कियों को ज्यादा प्रेफरेंस दी जा रही है लड़कों से, बिकॉज दे आर डूइंग मच बेटर इन लाइफ देन what their sons are doing, and that is okay. Like people are changing and people are instilling that also in their kids. And अगर एक नेक्स्ट जनरेशन में कहीं लोग आते हैं जहाँ पे जो आप लोग जिन लोगों की बात कर रहे हो, जो थोड़ी अभी भी स्टक अप मेंटालिटी है, जो दे आर स्टिल देयर की बॉयज एंड गर्ल्स एंड दिस एंड दैट, then there are also people who have the different mentality, and इन दोनों के बच्चे ना एक ही स्कूल में जा रहे हैं. तो जब उन दोनों के बच्चे एक ही स्कूल में जा रहे हैं तो वो क्वेश्चन कर रहे हैं कि क्या सही है क्या गलत है. देन इट कम्स टू आवर टीचर्स, और देन इट कम्स टू देयर ओन सेंसिबिलिटीज एंड अंडरस्टैंडिंग्स ऑफ व्हाट दे वुड डू. एंड जैसे आप हो रेबेलियस, वैसे ही और भी ये नेक्स्ट जनरेशन वाले बच्चे रेबेलियस होने वाले हैं कि नहीं यार ये बकवास हो रहा है. वो अपने दोस्त के घर में देखेंगे यहाँ पे तो उसको ज्यादा प्रेफरेंस मिल रही है क्योंकि वो अच्छा ज्यादा कर रही है, तो यहाँ पे मुझे क्यों नहीं मिल रही, तो वो भी लड़ेंगे, वो भी रेबेल करेंगे. And that is what that brings upon change in any case. And आपकी वीडियो अटक रही है अब.
I have no,
Okay. Are you
my
walking?
battery is very low.
अच्छा. You will be a great husband slash father. Thank you.
Congo.
एक सेकेंड, मैं ना थोड़ा देखूं, कमेंट्स पढ़ लेता हूँ तब तक, जब तक आप इसको वो कर रहे हो. Toxic Jeet said that's true. I heard it too. Okay, this is about the menstruation thing. You will be a great husband slash father. Thank you so much. Thank you. Chat. Okay, I think Dhara D is gone. He's stuck. Should we end it right here? What do you say, people? Comment section. Okay. Chalo, I think that was a good one. Miss Entrepreneurial Traveler just left and उनकी battery खत्म हो रही थी. कोई नहीं. I think that this was a good session. We talked about mythology. We talked about women. We talked about some good subjects. I think that's where I should wrap it up. And over to our social media correspondents to cut it off and get some small clips for all of you guys out there. So देखो, enjoy करो, and if there are any debatable topics or if anything I've said has offended you in any way, shape or form, then keep it to yourself, or I mean, no, don't keep it to yourself. Comment it down below, let me know, let's have a discourse, let's have a conversation. I love talking, as you can see. And someone is saying no, talk more. No, talk more. Okay, what should I talk about? Give me ideas. Give me topics and I'll blabber about. Okay, anyone else wants to join, or should I end it? If I talk more, you'd be cutting down more, if you know what I mean. Chalo, I'll end it right here because Mish is not giving me any options, any topics. Eklavya has joined. Topic Anupama. Oh ho, क्या बात है. आप भी हैं मोहतरमा, आ जाइए, आप भी ज्वाइन कर लीजिए. Okay, so guys, whoever watched Anupama, aliens के बारे में मुझे बात करनी है, but I need a person to join in so that I can have a back and forth. Anyone wants to join? Nikita, Mish, Nimisha. Okay. निमिशा तू तो रहने दे बेटा, तू रुक, तेरे को देखता हूँ मैं. वनराज बना के रखा है. वो मर गई थी ना आज. मैं ज्वाइन नहीं कर रही. अच्छा चलो ठीक है, तो I'll end it right there. और जिसको और देखना है नेक्स्ट लाइव में आओ और कोशिश करो ज्वाइन करो, ठीक है. Alright guys, that was Take Lives Part 2. Take Lives 2 Part 2. So, alright. See you guys.